Good morning, friends. I am Rajinder Jatana on this side. Today I am coming up with derivatives of logarithmic functions. Before we go for derivatives, we need to understand what is logarithm. How many types of logarithms are there? So this I'll be coming with my notes, and you will find that there are two types of logarithms. One is the common logarithm and second one is the natural logarithm. Common logarithm is mostly commonly used for calculations and natural logarithm is used in calculus. So in derivatives we shall be using with natural logarithms. So I'll come up with my notes right now. Thank you very much. Good morning, friends. I'm here with my notes. Look here. Logarithm is of two types, I told you, common logarithm and natural logarithm. In case of common logarithm, the base is 10, while in case of natural logarithm, base is e. Now, there are certain method of using these logarithms. ये पुराने टाइम का कंप्यूटर है. Long back when calculations were made, how far the moon is there and all that, long ago these log tables were derived and they were used as a computer. Now look here, I'll try to tell you how we can convert the numbers in terms of log. Number one, 125 can be written as 5 raised to power 3. Now this we can convert in log. Just write log here, base is 5, power is 3. Base is 5, power is 3. Write the base here. Base तो हमेशा नीचे होता है. So this is equal to 3. And make an arrow this. This is 125. So it becomes log 125 base 5 is equal to 3. 7 का लेटर 7 बन जाता है. देखिए एक एरो ऐसे लगाओ, ऐसे 7 बन गया. Now let us go for 3 4 3. It is 7 raised to power 3. So here the base is 7. ये जो पावर होती है वही आंसर होता है. So 343 यहाँ लिख दीजिए. Log of 343 with respect to base 7 is equal to 3. Now let us go for 512. It is 8 cube. So we can convert it in terms of log. It is log 512, base is 8 and power is 3. Answer will be 3. So log of 512 with respect to base 8 is 3. Now in common logarithms, the base is 10. In case of natural logarithm, the base is e. Now there are certain formulas based on log which we shall be using in our questions. Now the first formula is log of 1 with respect to base e is equal to 0. Look here, e raised to power 0 is 1. And log of e with respect to base e is 1. E raised to power 1 is e. So this is how the formulas are there. Now number 1, product rule. Log of m multiply with n. देखिए ये प्रोडक्ट हो रही है. It becomes log m plus log n. मल्टीप्लाई का साइन प्लस में चेंज हो जाता है. क्वोशिएंट रूल. Log of m over n is equal to log of m minus log of n. Power rule. Log of m raised to power n is equal to n log m. Now base in formula. When the base is not e, in all these cases the base was e. अगर आपने बेस नहीं लिखा हुआ है कैलकुलस में लॉग का, इट इज अंडरस्टूड, इट इज ई. यहाँ पे बेस बी लिखा हुआ है तो हमें ई में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. Whenever you want to change the base, this formula, base change formula is used. राइट दिस इक्वल टू लॉग ओवर लॉग। एम ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, एम को ऊपर लिख दो, बी नीचे लिखा हुआ है, बी को नीचे लिख दो, जो भी बेस लगाने लगा दो। यहां पे हम ई लगा रहे हैं। नो लुक हियर, दिस इज log m raised to power n or log a raised to power b with respect to base a. b नीचे उतरेगा, it will become log a of a and it will be 1. Log a of a, here it is e over e, log of e with respect to e is 1. Similarly, log of a with respect to base a will be 1. So b into 1 is b. In the case of common logarithm, base is 10. How to find log of supposing 3, 4, 5, 6? आप डेसिमल लगाओ, डेसिमल के बाद 0 लगेगा। Here the base is 10. अब डेसिमल के लेफ्ट साइड पे देखो, there are 4 digits, right here 3. And what we'll be writing in the box, that we will see from the log tables. And this is known as Mantissa. This box, whatever we will fill up in the box, this is called Mantissa. This will be finding from the log tables. And 3 we have written from our own side after looking how many digits are there. So there were 4 digits, we have written 3. This is called characteristics. So this was about what log is. Now we will be going with logarithmic functions and differentiation of that. There are 2 methods I'll be using it. Now look here. Functions of the shape fx raised to power gx. How to find their derivatives? So log बड़ों को नीचे उतार देता है, चाहे तो जिस पे मेहरबान हो जाए उसको प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी बना सकता है। So look here, method 1. Y is equal to fx raised to power gx. Take it log, gx will come down. Log m raised to power n shape है. So now let us take the derivative. These are 2 functions now. एक ऊपर बैठा था, वो नीचे उतर गया, एक बेस है. So these are 2 functions. Apply the product formula. जब कभी भी आपको log वाला क्वेश्चन करना है, आपने बोलना है log फायर, उसका डेरिवेटिव होता है 1 over फायर, फिर फायर का भी डेरिवेटिव करते हैं, ddx of y. Look here, log y was there, log fire was y, 1 over fire. ddx of y is equal to, this is product rule, gx. Again, find the derivative of this. Log fire, 1 over fire. फिर फायर का भी डेरिवेटिव, फिर log फायर छोड़, ये log fx छोड़ दो, take the derivative of gx because we are using product rule. So gx का derivative g dx. So on solving, the y will come to this side. It will become y gx f dash x over fx plus log fx into g dash x. You can use this or you can use this. Look here, second method is y equal to fx raised to power gx. This can be written as e raised to power log fx raised to power gx. e raised to power log, e और log एक दूसरे के उलट हैं, एक दूसरे को काट देंगे, again we will get this. So we can write it like this. So derivative of y with respect to x. अब e की कुछ भी पावर हो as it is, फिर पावर का भी करेंगे and we will get the derivative of this. So this is how we will go ahead. Now I'll come up with my examples. So examples are, look here. Now there are two examples. Sin x raised to power cos x. Take the log. It becomes cos x log sin x. Now differentiate. product rule. So log fire, 1 over fire, dy by dx, it is cos x, log of this 1 over sin x into cos x, log fire 1 over fire, fire का भी कर दो, sin x